Good evening, everyone. Could I have your attention, please? I would like to thank everyone for attending today's webinar. I'm Dr. Wasima Atif, and I'm working as a lecturer in Asian Institute of Kerala Ayurveda in Cosmetic Department. Perhaps we can make a start. So many of you know about Asian Institute of Kerala Ayurveda. We shortly named as ICA. So we already did several webinars and career guidance program for Ayurveda, Unani and Siddha doctors and medical professionals. And also we are offering guidance and training programs for medical professionals, therapists and local manufacturers. In that respect, we already did many webinars about career opportunities in United Kingdom and United Arab Emirates and Canada for Ayurveda doctors and other health professionals. And also, we already conducted a webinar last year about how to apply for TCAM MOH exam. After that webinar, about 15 doctors were joined with the ICA for coaching classes and data flow process. And they have successfully completed their classes and all their data flow process, and they are going to sit for the exam in May, like coming months. So in that way, we are conducting today's webinar to discuss about how to prepare for Dubai DHA's exam for Ayurveda graduate doctors. And in this webinar, we are going to discuss about several useful topics. I think this is going to be a very useful webinar for all of you. So without any delay, I'm going to welcome our guest speaker, Dr. Shruti V. Keshav, Bachelor of Ayurveda Medicine and Surgery, India, and Dubai DHA exam coacher, to address the participants, please.
Yeah, good evening. Thank you, Dr. Wasim. Good evening, all of you.
Yes, doctor, I'll share the slide.
Yeah.
You can continue, Dr. I'll share.
Oh, okay. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity by the ICA team. I would like to thank Dr. Wasim also and Dr. Ali Saja for this opportunity. Today I'm here to discuss about the DHA license. Those who are those who wanted to work in abroad, especially in United States, especially in Dubai, for them we need to attend we need a license for them. With our degree we can't practice it. We have to get a license to practice in Dubai. For that you need DHA license, means Dubai Health Authority license. It's required for to practice. So now they have started an exam for to practice our like Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, all those things we can practice there with the Dubai Health Authority license. Before that, it was there only one license was there, MOH license, that already they have discussed about that. Ministry of Health license. So previously it was that only. After getting that MOH license, we can convert it into DHA license. Those who wanted to work in Dubai, they can convert this MOH license into DHA. And those who wanted to work in Abu Dhabi, there we have another license called HAAD, HAAD. So if you want to work in Abu Dhabi, you have to convert this MOH license to HAAD. So accordingly, it was going on till now. So from the last year onwards, the Dubai Health Authority has started exam for this alternative practitioners. That is very helpful for all of us. And nowadays the opportunity is also very like good number of clinics are opening right now. So we have a vast like job opportunities also there. And previously in this Ministry of Health exam, first we have to write promoted. That is means a written exam was there. And then after that, after passing the written exam, you have to go to an oral exam. So two types of exam was conducting by the MOH. Then after passing these two exam only, they used to issue the license. So the first exam, the written exam, it is like traumatic exam we used to call. So that is purely based upon full modern medicines, like full Davidson, SWANSON, and USMLE you have to refer. Full text you have to refer, then you have to write the exam. And then after passing the written exam, then you have to go to attend the oral exam. Then after that only they used to issue the license. And all the time this exams used to be conducted in the Sharjah and Ajman area only they used to conduct it. So every time for attending the exam, you have to go to the Dubai, you have to take a visa and you have to take an air ticket, and then you have to make an accommodation, then you have to write the exam. All those things first, that little bit expensive that condition. But in DHA, the thing is only one exam is there. That is oral exam only they are conducting, and it is in online. So you can attend this exam from your home itself, or otherwise in your clinic itself. If you have a good internet connection, you can attend it, and you like that much difficult is not there for Viva. They will be asking any practical questions like whatever the clinical conditions. Then accordingly they will be asking whatever the treatments, all the things you can explain it and you can pass also. So many people are passed within first attempt itself. So you can grab this opportunity. So I would like to say, like, if it is an online exam, only the fees will come for the data flow only. You have to pay for the data flow exam fees. Then after that, there is no need to take a visa, no need to take a ticket for to come to the Dubai to attend the exam. That is a wonderful opportunity. So you can save your money also. So I would like to tell all of the graduates, those who want to work, take this DHA exam. And if you fail in the first attempt, also they are giving 3 attempts, like 3 chances are there to pass. So you can do within a 1 year. You can take these 3 chances and you can pass the exam. Then after getting the eligibility letter, you can come to the Dubai and you can search for the job. So these are the main benefits of the DHA exam. You can attend through online itself and not much expensive. And you can it's only a Viva pattern, oral exam only. So you can like all the whatever the clinical conditions you day to day you'll be facing, like arthritis condition and the GIT conditions, all those things. So that much from that topic itself, they used to ask the questions, and accordingly you can answer it, and accordingly they will be passing. So it's in a half an hour exam it is. So mainly the disease condition, their pathology, investigations, and the treatment, that only they will be asking. So all of them can easily take this exam, and easily you can attend the you can get the license also. So this is the main thing about the DHA license. So just now only they have started. If you start doing the data flow, all those things now itself, then you can get the license by this year end itself, or by the next year starting you will get the license, and you can start working in Dubai. And if you want to work in like a Sharjah or Ajman also, you can convert this license also. So there is no like you no need to write the MOH exam. You can directly convert this DHA license to MOH. And nowadays, so much clinics are opening also. If you don't want to work, if you want to open a clinic also, you can open it while you're getting this DHA license. Nowadays, opportunities are very much increasing, and the basic salary they used to give from the starting from 5,000 to 6,000 AED. So that is a first starting salary. Then after that, with the experience from the UE, you will be getting like a 10,000, 14,000 AED used to get it. And the main thing, we have to study the investigation, pathology, all those things you have to study from the Davidson. And then the rest of the things, the treatment part, all those things, you can study the Ayurveda. If it is a Unani, you can study Unani. Homeo, if it is a homeo treatments, you have to study. That much only required for the study materials for the DHA exam. And for the data flow process, you require your degree certificate, and then you have needed experience certificates of 2 years. The recent 2 years experience certificate is needed. Clinical experience certificate, 2 years it's needed, and then your registration certificate, and then Another thing is like BLS certificate, means basic life support certificate. So in that means how we have to do the CPR, all these things, how we have to give a patient fails in unconscious situation. For emergency, if you want to give CPR, how all those things they will teach in the BLS certificate. So you require that certificate also. And another one is good standing certificate from your registered council. So these are the main certificates you need for the data flow process. First one is degree certificate. Second, clinical experience of 2 years, recent 2 years is needed. And another one is good standing certificate from the registered council. From where you have registered, from there you have to get the good standing certificate. And another one is BLS. So these are the main 4 certificates required. And then your passport copy, and then your passport size photo with a white background, and your updated CV. These are all the main documents which is required for the DHA exam. Facilities like you will be having like a polyclinics. You can work in the polyclinics, like government clinics we can't work. Only the clinics, the single clinic with the 3 rooms or 4 rooms, like that of separate clinics are there. In that only you can work it. After getting the DHA license, you can practice as Ayurveda. Ayurveda, as an Ayurveda doctor, you can practice there. And from our coaching, we will be supporting all the things, whatever the questions they will be asking, how the how we can answer the viva, how the disease condition, all the things we'll be explaining in our class. Purely with them, Davidson, all the things we'll be explaining all the condition wise. The main things will be explaining, and then after that, I'll be explaining how we'll be treating the Ayurveda way. All these things we'll be explaining in our coaching, and daily 1 hour class will be there. For 1 month, this our coaching is conducting. So Dubai DHA exam means it is an online exam. So online Viva only, oral exam only we are having. For preparing DHA exam, we need to study the disease, and then disease, how it is happening, what are the investigation, what is the differential diagnosis, and the treatment. These are the main things they will be asking in your DHA examination. You can apply through the for the applying for the exam. You can apply through the online itself. The whatever the documents I have told right now. No? So with that, you can apply through the online DHA site. You can apply it, and they will do the rest of the procedures. Around 2 months, it will take all the procedures to conduct, like data flow. Then after that, they will do one registration, and then after that, after the registration, you will get an exam date. So 3 procedures are there. So around 2 to 3 months it will take to get an exam date. So you can apply through online itself. So we are we will explain you all the details, like how to how to get your how to pass your viva, all those things we will be explaining you very nicely, and we will prepare you to study also. So with that, you can within a first attempt itself you can pass the exam. So that is the with our coaching you can get that's assurance from our side. So we have started this institute from 2 years. We are sincerely working for this. So first we have started with MOH program. So this from the MOH itself, like so many graduates have attained their license. Now we have started this DHA coaching also. So normal, like in every batch, we used to get 10, 12 students are there. Then accordingly, they used to get pass also. So our passing rate is also 95% of students are passing from our coaching center. So we will be helping all the support from our side to attain your license, like a local support and all those things. We can give you. We can give you guidance also, and we can give you like a reference also if any opportunities are available in the Dubai in any clinic. That also we can support also if we are getting. Next slide, doctor. And the classes will be in on Google Meet only. With we'll be giving a presentation, and with the Google Meet, we will be sending a link. Through that, you can attend the classes, and we'll be if you can't attend the class, also we can give you the video recordings also. So whenever if you're getting the time, you can listen the video. You can see the video and you can listen the audio. Then accordingly, you can study also. Whenever you're feeling any doubt or something, you can WhatsApp or you can call and ask. We were ready to help you all the time. So the main three textbooks are Davidson, Swanson, and USMLE. So with this three textbooks, we'll be explaining all the modern part and uh, whatever the Ayurveda topics that is for the treatment part, all those things we'll be explaining from the Ayurveda textbooks. And the course duration is for 1 month, 30 days, and 1 hour classes will be there for every day. And there will be a discussion of the modern and Ayurveda portions also. Both the portions will be discussing. For in the MOH class, we'll be discussing only the modern portions only because MOH is exam is purely based on the modern part only. For the DHA, Ayurveda, we are discussing both modern and Ayurveda portions. Yeah, the training is from the basic level, from since physiology, anatomy also we used to discuss it. Then we'll go for the pathology, and then we'll go for the treatment. So the basic level training will be there. And if you want more details, you can contact with the ICA also. And if you have any doubt in the this license procedure, you can ask me. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Uh, Thank you, Dr. Shruti, to give a wonderful brief explanation about the DHA exam process. So this is a great opportunity to the other doctors to ask your doubts about DHA exam. So this is simplified now. You can apply from Sri Lanka and you can sit for the exam from Sri Lanka even. So these are very simplified now. So you can ask all of your doubts. And I want to clarify one thing here. This meeting is about Ayurveda for Ayurveda doctors, exclusively for Ayurveda doctors. So we are going to arrange another meeting soon about for the Unani doctors, right? So you can ask your doubts, the process, all the things you can ask. You can utilize these times.
How about Siddha doctors?
For Siddha also same thing, the same data flow, same registration, all those things. And then they will be asking all those questions like a modern part. And then your treatment will be like Siddha based only, they will be asking. We can like full support like whenever we are getting a vacancies, like if we are no if in any clinic any vacancies are there, but we can message you like in this clinic vacancies are there, but we can ensure like we can message you all those things after getting license. If you are knowing that in some clinics vacancies are there, we can help you with that also. We can inform you about that. For the registration procedure, first you have to take a go to the DHA site and take a self-assessment, and then after doing the self-assessment, tell that you are eligible to go for the exam. Then after that, you have to, then you will be guided to another site, means Sharian portal for the data flow process. There you have to upload your documents, and their agents used to come and verify all the documents like your degree, certificate, experience, and the good standing, BLS, all the things they will check and verify it. When it becomes positive, then you can go for the DHA registration. And then you can go for the DHA registration. Then after the registration, then they will give you the exam date. So 3 steps are there. So it will take around 2 months to all these procedures to complete. Then after that, you can attend the exam through online itself. The salary scale is starting is from 5,000 to 6,000 AED. Then after that, with the experience, with the UA experience, the salary scale will increase. Any other doubts? Yes, Siddha doctors also can attend the exams. The course fee, you can talk with the ICA people, so they will explain you the course fee, all those things. Yeah, coaching sessions you can contact with ICA. No, for all the people, those who wanted to those who wanted to attend the exam, for them also we are taking classes. Right now, you can take the class, and then by next month you can apply for the exam. Like that, you can do it. It's up to you. It's in English only. They are asking all the questions. Coaching will be 1 month. Coaching will be there, and the Viva oral exam is for half an hour. 2 panel doctors will be there for asking you all the questions. Accommodation, all those things you have to search. We can guide you the like coaching, all those things. We can guide you the exam pattern also. All those things we can guide. It's an oral exam, oral Viva exam, doctor. So we don't have any past papers. Syllabus, all those things. Yeah, we can tell you in the coaching. If they are not satisfied with her, will they send back? That depends upon the clinic doctor. That I can't tell. I sure about that. Usually they don't send back. If they are not satisfied with our work or something, you can search for other jobs also, because not one clinic here nowadays. So much clinics are there in Dubai. It's around 25 to 50 clinics are there. In Sharjah, Ajman, there also so many clinics are there. If one is not there, then you can find another clinic. So there is no send back. Next classes will be start by February 15th or 16th. I'll be telling you the which date it will be. Data flow cost, all those things you can ask ICA people, so they will help you with that. Our class fee, all this you can contact ICA. DHA cutoff mark is not there. The pass mark is not there. So they are assessing your knowledge only. So they will be asking some questions. If you're telling it's in a good way, like a good, if they are assessing only. So you know about the condition, you know about the treatment only. They are assessing. So accordingly, it's up to them. There is no pass mark or there is no cutoff is not there. The certificates are required is your degree certificate, good standing certificate from the registered council, BLS certificate means basic life support certificate, and then experience certificate. Recent 2 years is required. Recent 2 years experience certificate is required. So these 4 certificates are required, and your registration certificate also. Your registered council certificate will be there. No, the number, all those things, registration number. That certificate is required, and passport size photo also. Now they are grading with our knowledge itself. If you have a good knowledge about the condition, if you have the knowledge of the treatment, all the things that only they are assessing. Government experience or private experience, both are okay. Basics, not basic skill, basic life certificate. That you can just ask with the ICA people, so they will guide you about where in which institute you will get the certificate. That's a 1-day course only. So within 1 day itself, you will get that certificate, all those things. Yeah, after the internship, 2 years experience, clinical experience is required. If you have done PG, then after PG, 1 year experience is required. Within that day itself, you will get it, or otherwise by next day you will get the result. More than 5 days, it will not go. Within 5 days itself, the result will announce. After the result, you'll be getting a letter from the DHA. In the site itself, you will get an eligibility letter that you have passed the exam, and with this certificate, you can go to the clinic where you can find the job. So you can give the certificate to them. So they will attach with the Dubai, and you have to within 6 months or within 1 year, you have to attach the certificate. Yeah, after the 2 years experience only, you can apply for the exam. They need an experience certificates from our home country. And after passing, if you don't want to work in a clinic, if you want to set up a clinic also, you can do it. That also it's possible there. Can dependent go if selected? I didn't understand, doctor. If your family you're asking, or if you got the job there, and you can sponsor your family, but they don't give you the family visa, but you can sponsor them. That you can do it. There is no other offer. With the DHA license, you can work as a doctor there. Visa, the company will be providing. So if you get the job, which clinic you're getting, they will be providing you the visa. Usually it is for 2 years. Then after 2 years, they will be renewing it. On private practice also, you can keep it like your manager, like in the experience certificate, you can keep a manager name other than your name. Any other person's name, you can keep it and make a like experience certificate. You can make it. To open our own clinic, you can search in the DHA site. They will explain it. What other procedures are required, all those things. Mm, not much difficulty is there. Sometimes they use, sometimes little bit difficult. So it depends upon the panel, doctor. We can't tell like it's so much difficult, and it is not that much easy also. They are assessing our knowledge. So if you tell nicely all the details, then it is okay. If you study nicely, then you can pass the exam. Within first attempt itself, you can pass. The pass out ranges depends like how you are answering according to that. Sometimes 2 or 3 people used to pass, sometimes nobody will be passing. It depends. If you study nicely, if you study about all the conditions, then you will pass. Yeah, for other countries also, you other exams are there. but I don't know about other countries. But in Dubai, you need a DHA license. If you want to work in Sharjah, Ajman area, you need MOH license. If you want to work in Abu Dhabi, you need hard license. Yeah, this exam will be in half an hour. They will be asking this modern and Ayurveda portions. They will be asking about what is arthritis, like osteoarthritis. As an example, osteoarthritis. We have to tell about the osteoarthritis condition, pathology, and they will be asking investigation. If they will be asking about this, how you will treat the osteoarthritis condition in from your clinic. Like that only they will be asking, like clinical based questions they will be asking. Yes, doctor, that your private practice is okay. But you have to keep in the private, in the letterhead, you have to keep your manager's name, all those things. Yeah, in saying that you have worked here since this year on this date onward, this much date you have you worked here, like that, you have to prepare one certificate. Yeah, you can start wellness clinic, all those things you can practice. Yes, you can practice in anywhere in the Emirates with a DHA license. You have to convert that license. If you want to work in Abu Dhabi, just convert this DHA license to hard. If you want to work in Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah in that Emirates also, you can convert this DHA license to MOH. Other benefits, no, only the one benefit is you can practice there. With other without the license, we can't practice as a doctor there. So and that's why. Where you wanted to migrate, doctor? For migration, it was not helpful. So this DHA license is purely for the practicing only. This is not for the migration. Yes, all the doctors can pass. BLS certificate is valid for 2 years. So they will give you the date also when it is getting expired. All those things they will give you the certificate. Is there any other doubts? Do we want to renew every 2 years? About the license, yes, you wanted to renew it every 2 years. That all the things the clinic will use to do. There's no need to worry, and you have to check the date when it is getting expired, and accordingly you have to renew it. From the MOH authority, if you wanted to work in Sharjah, so you can take a job there, and then you can tell to the clinic. So the clinic itself, they will convert this DHA license to MOH, and they will do it. So you can convert the certificate from the MOH site itself. How for the jobs you can find through the one site is there, Indeed. Through Indeed you can do it, or otherwise through LinkedIn. Through that way you can search the job, and sometimes if we are getting the job of like offers, like if we go to know, we will share in our groups itself. And the visa procedure, all those things, the company, the clinic used to do it. And if you want to come here and search a job, you can take a visit visa and come to Dubai and search the job also. Usually, for if you're taking visit visa, you have to take the ticket fare. Then after getting the job, they will be giving you the ticket fare while you're coming back. Like while you're going for the vacation, they used to give you the tickets. After applying for the exam, if you get an exam date, within the 5 days, you will be getting the result also. I think exam date you will get by within 2 months it will take to get the date. In the clinic, you can practice on pure Ayurveda. Yes, here all the doctors are practicing pure Ayurveda only. Availability of Ayurveda drugs also is just there. Now so much Ayurveda shops are available here. Any other doubts?
Thank you so much, Doctor. You have answered for all the questions very patiently. I think all got some idea about DHA's exams and all got cleared their doubts also. Is there anyone to ask anything? You can ask.
Yeah, you can practice Ayurveda only, doctor. If you have the Ayurveda degree, you can practice that only. Welcome. Yeah, they consider postgraduate diploma, all those things they can consider. There's no problem in that. First you have get a degree, then after that you have taken postgraduate diploma, right? So that's no problem.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Shruti Keshav,
Thank you.
to deliver a wonderful presentation. So we will keep in touch for further our development of Ayurveda sector. And
Okay.
if the participants have doubts about or the fees details and the data flow payment, all the things, you can contact ICA for more details. So please WhatsApp for this number. So they will give you the payment details and all, and the commencement date of the next batch, all the things they will provide. So thank you so much for all the participants as well as for the guest speaker, Dr. Shruti Kesav. Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor, for this opportunity.
We can wind up the meeting. Thank you.